Hello there, my name is Wellington, and on this episode we're going to be upgrading a 2420 digital station set using TFTP and TFTP utilities. On this exercise I'm using the TFTP server, which is the Avaya TFTP server, and I'm going to go over 3 steps how to do the upgrade. So the first step is getting the software, which is, you're going to go to the support.avaya.com to get my firmware. I'm using release 5 for this upgrade. Right now the phone is running release 4, and if you stick around at the end of the video you'll see the actual thing happen. Step 2, you need to configure the TFTP server directory and root directory and include the files to upload to the phones. Step 3 is going to be pretty much running the process of the upgrade. Okay, so now that you see here 2420 and the TFTP server already here serving on that same subnet of IP addresses, I'm going to go into the Avaya System and configure there what I need to configure for the file to be transferred. So for that we're going to go Putty into it, and I'm using my login credentials, and I'm using 4410 as the emulation type. Alright, so the first thing you want to add is the node names for the TFTP server. So we're going to do a change on that. We change node names IP. Here you're going to put in the name of the TFTP server, something relevant that you can remember, and also the IP address of it. Once you do that, you want to do a change TFTP, which is you're going to tell the system, okay, I want you to go here and get the files from here and send it, and get it from here and send it to here. So pretty much, Procar is my 8300. The TFTP server is the name of the TFTP that I'm using, and the file name that you want to use. Obviously not the IP address, but the actual name of the file. Once you have those things set up, you hit enter. Okay, now once you hit enter, you see that the files are being sent from the server out to the Avaya system in the background here. Now with the files resident in the server, you can do a change firmware download station, and here you can allow the server, based on a schedule, to send the files out to the phones. A quick note here, you need to give yourself enough time for the schedule to let you enter and input every field here. So you want to give yourself, I want to say, at least 15 minutes ahead before you can run it. Alright, now you're looking at my phone here running release 4, and in a second you'll see it go off, which means that the files are being sent to the phone. You see that it just went off. Depending on the file size, it's going to take its time to update, maybe 15 minutes. All right, so now if I go to the self-test, it'll show me that it was updated to release 5. All right, folks, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If anything you think about it, just leave me a comment in the bottom. Thanks.